Removing multiple keys from a dictionary safely. I know how to remove an entry, key, from my dictionary D, safely. You do. However, I need to remove multiple entries from a dictionary safely. I was thinking of defining the entries in a tuple as I will need to do this more than once. However, I was wondering if there is a smarter way to do this.
Using dict.pop.
Using dict comprehensions, where key 1 and key 2 are to be removed. In the example below, keys B and C are to be removed and it's kept in a keys list.
Why not like this? A more compact version was provided by Matt Bornsky using dict.pop.
A solution is using map and filter functions. Python 2. Python 3. You get?
If you also need to retrieve the values for the keys you are removing, this would be a pretty good way to do it. You could of course still do this just for the removal of the keys from D, but you would be unnecessarily creating the list of values with the list comprehension. It is also a little unclear to use a list comprehension just for the function's side effect.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.